In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate API keys for your projects completely for free. Let's get started. First up, we have Nvidia. Nvidia offers access to various top-tier models and their API keys absolutely for free. In the Model tab, you can browse options like Nematron 3, OpenFold, QWen 30 billion, DeepSeek V3, Kimi K2, and newer models like Mistral. To get started, click on Get API Key, then Generate Key. Once generated, simply copy it for use in your project. If you need a code snippet ready for copy-pasting, go to the Models section and select the one you like. For this example, I'll choose Kimi K2. Look for the button labeled View Code. Inside, you'll see an option to Generate API Key. Click it, and the system will provide code you can directly copy-paste to start using the API immediately. That covers Nvidia. You can also delete unused keys here to manage your access. Next up is Groq. Groq provides incredible speed within their Playground section. Here you can chat with models like Llama and others. To get an API key, simply click on the API Key button. Select Create API Key and give your key a name. Once verified, click Submit and you'll get your API key absolutely free. Copy it for your project. If you need to remove it later, just use the Delete button. To monitor your usage, head over to the dashboard. Here you can track limits, metrics, logs, and batches. Moving on to the next platform, GitHub models. GitHub now hosts high-quality models similar to OpenAI suite, completely for free. Since it's a free tier, there are some rate limits to keep in mind. You can access OpenAI, Mistral, DeepSeek, and others. For example, if I need a key for a specific model, click on the model card. In the upper right corner, click Use this model. Then select Create Personal Access Token. Scroll down to find the Generate Token button. This will generate the required access token for your code. If you need another one, just repeat the process. Click Generate, provide a unique name, and confirm. Click Generate Token again, and you're done. You can revoke these tokens anytime using the Delete button. That's it for GitHub. Now, let's look at Google. Google AI Studio offers a wide range of models, including vision and video. Navigate to the dashboard and click on Create API Key. First, you'll need to link it to a Google Cloud project. I already have one, but I'll create a new one for this demo. Select Create Project. Once the project is ready, simply click Create Key. And there you have it, an API key for Google's ecosystem. Copy it and integrate it into your application. You can delete the key just as easily if needed. As a reminder, Google offers models like Gemini 2.5 Pro, Gemini Nano, and Flash, as well as Imagen for images and Veo for video. Be sure to check those out. Next is OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a popular aggregator and ranking tool for various LLMs. You can see models from Anthropic and xAI's Groq here. They list everything, including OpenAI and Gemini. The platform segments models based on text, image, and other modalities. You can quickly find the top-performing model in any field. To get a key, go to the OpenRouter dashboard. On the home page, click on Get API Key, then hit the Create API Key button. Name your key. You can also set a credit limit if you want, though it's optional. Then just create it. Use this single key to access multiple models in your project. Deleting it is just as simple. Finally, let's look at Cloudflare Workers AI. They host models like Llama and others categorized by tasks, text-to-speech, summarization, embeddings, generation, and object detection. It provides a massive range of serverless models. To get the API key, I'll navigate to the Use API section where you'll find the necessary code. Copy and paste it. If that method doesn't suit you, use one of the other platforms I mentioned. That covers Cloudflare. Lastly, I want to share a main repository where you can find a list of all free LLM API resources. Whether they're permanently free or trial-based, you can find them in this repo. All links are in the description, so you don't have to go searching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.